An integrated and successful initiative has been taken by Jabalpur Municipal Corporation, third largest town in the state of Madhya Pradesh, making it a win-win situation for all, citizen, corporation and government. The holy city of Jabalpur, with pure water from Narmada, has taken another step towards achieving the great goal of Swachh Bharat. Under the Swachh Bharat campaign, Jabalpur Municipal Corporation has installed the first integrated solid waste management plant, generating power with a per day capacity of 11.4 megawatt.
इसका सबसे बड़ा अगर फायदा कुछ मिला है तो जगह जगह जो कचरा था और हमारी करीब 5 से 6 लैंडफिल साइट थे वो धीरे धीरे समाप्त होती जा रही है और जहाँ लैंडफिल साइट समाप्त हो जाएंगी वहाँ पर हम कुछ अच्छा स्मार्ट सिटी के तहत कुछ अच्छी चीज़ें भी वहाँ पर बनाकर हम तैयार करेंगे। निश्चित रूप से डोर टू डोर कचरा कलेक्शन जबलपुर शहर के लिए एक सबसे बड़ी सुविधा है और लोगों का इसमें बहुत सहयोग प्रदान हो रहा है।
With the mission of Swachh Bharat and under the guidance of Jabalpur Mayor Dr. Swati Godbole, the initiative started in 2016, where an integrated framework has been laid down to ensure end-to-end process of municipal SWM to be initiated. Swachh Bharat mission is working in the right wisdom. Citizens are now able to understand the importance of cleanliness. The holy city of Jabalpur, with the pure water from Narmada, begins achieving this great goal of Swachh Bharat right with the sunrise. The first step is the collection of solid waste door to door. This is done at community places on a tricycle, calling citizens of Jabalpur city with a whistle. Earlier, there were reservations and objections from the citizens, but now it has become a habit for all of them. And they wait for the whistle to deposit the solid waste.
हर गली अब उन्नति की राह जाएगी, उपवासा की आंगन आंगन गाएगी। स्वप्न गांधी जी का अब साकार करना है, स्वच्छता का देश में त्योहार करना है।
अच्छी बात यह है कि पहले से अब बहुत फ़र्क आया है। हमारी कॉलोनी में साफ़ सफाई पहले से बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही है कि कचरा लेने के लिए हमारे यहाँ कॉलोनी में सफाई नहीं होती, लेकिन अब हमारे एक भी दिन का ऐसा प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती कि हमारे यहाँ सफाई ना हो। जैसा कि हमें अपने शहर को, अपनी कॉलोनी को स्वच्छ रखना चाहिए, बिल्कुल वैसा ही चल रहा है। और मैं आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ कि इस कार्यक्रम को आपने बहुत अच्छे से सुचारू रूप से चलाया है।
Solid waste is also collected through containers from different parts of the city with a single objective and target of no garbage to be left out in the city. To ensure the same, Jabalpur Municipal Corporation has displayed toll-free numbers through which the collection supervisor can be contacted. The collection and transportation is being done by private agency, ensuring efficiency in the system. The overall appearance and ambience of the Jabalpur town has taken a change, and now we can proudly call it a clean city. With the great effort of citizens, mayor and corporation employees, environment is benefited with better health conditions in Jabalpur. The streets are clean, citizens are happy and satisfied, and the revenue model by power generation is ensured. The second step is to transfer the solid waste into the trucks, and then these trucks move towards the solid waste management plant, followed by the segregation of collected solid waste.
हमसे निकलेगी स्वच्छता की एक नदी, छल 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 कल 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 कल, एक धुली सी जिंदगी। स्वच्छता की जोत लेकर घर घर जाएंगे, साफ सुथरी रोशनी में सब नहाएंगे।
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने, देश से अपनी वादा कर लिया हमने।
हर गली अब उन्नति की राह जाएगी, आशा की।
Municipal Corporation ensures that all the trucks are covered to avoid any outflows of solid waste while their movement in the city.
Since last few months, it is very clear, I am also observing that the environment and the pollution of the city is decreasing, and the conditions in the city, that is day by day, that is improving, and incidences of various diseases, they are drastically reducing.
The solid waste is now transferred into the plant to generate power, and this integrated process generates power benefiting the society, corporation and the environment. This is a great achievement for the Jabalpur Municipal Corporation by displaying sustainable operation of this project. This successful municipal solid waste management system will be very soon followed by other cities like Bhopal, Indore and Rewa, with the mission of Swachh Bharat